Hello everyone. A very good evening to all of you. This is me. This is me, Tapash Kumar Pradhan, a student from Political Science, and I would like to welcome to all of you to this session of my YouTube channel. How are you, everyone? I hope you are fine, fit, and well. In these sessions, the student of the Political Science going to be extensively discuss about the constitution of your British and Switzerland, and a few of the important factual information which is going to be important for the both UGC and Political Science along with the SSB Political Science Odisha. So guys, as you know that we are in a series of the constitution, of the world constitution. So yes guys, so without delay, let's get start our discussions. So guys, as you know that we trying to cover the concept through question, and as I promise, always I am bring for you a wonderful piece of information. So similarly, I am here today to discuss with you important information, and through which we can understand the pattern of the question and what we need to focus. So this is the main agenda of our discussion. So guys, all about the British government and the structure. Okay guys, all about the British government and structure. So we will try to solve the question, and through question we will try to discuss the concept here. First question in front of you. So statement: Robert Walpole, the first prime minister of the Great Britain. Okay. Second statement talk about it follow a constitutional sovereignty. So guys, Robert Walpole, here the written Robert Walpole as a first prime minister of the Great Britain. Yes guys, it is correct. He's the first prime minister of the Great Britain, Robert Walpole. Then second statement talk about it follow a constitutional sovereignty. So guys, it is not follow a constitutional sovereignty, it follow a parliamentary sovereignty. So this statement is going to be wrong. So it follow a constitutional sovereignty? No, it follow a parliamentary sovereignty. So as you know guys, in unlike the in India, in which our constitution is sovereign, but in UK there is a parliamentary sovereign, because they follow a constitutional monarchy or parliamentary form of government. Okay, so this is how the major difference we generally understands. Then guys, another question in front of you, like adjacent and region based question. Okay, adjacent says that UK court, so guys this is UK court cannot declare act of order and parliament as the unconstitutional. So UK court cannot declare any act and order of the parliament and the parliament, or the what we can say that executive, here should be executive, as unconstitutional. So guys, this assertion is wrong, because in UK, although the act of parliament cannot be declared as unconstitutional, but the executive order guys can be declared invalid. So what guys, executive order can be declared invalid. So this is the statement is going to be wrong here. So here I writing that things. So UK court can declare an order of executive as basically invalid, but the parliament act, they can't be declared as invalid. So this is need to be remember here. Then region talk about under Human Right Act 1928. Under Human Right Act 1928, the court can review the government action. Yes guys, the UK court have a power, they can review the government action under the Human Right Act 1928. So this need to be remember here. The under Human Right Act, the court can be review the government actions. Okay, so this is how you have to remember. Then next questions like in front of you, that in which year UK guarantee the equal right to vote. So in which year the UK guarantee the equal right to vote, guys, this is 1928. So yes guys, in 1928 UK guaranteed the human right to vote. If I talk about the first state who basically guarantee the right to vote to the women, so it is the 1893 Switzerland. in our syllabus. They mention about the constitution of the Switzerland, so it is also important because right now there is a already provision in our constitutions under article 108 that women will be get the 33% reservation of the seats in Lok Sabha and the state legislative assembly. From there it was came to a picture that Switzerland has the first who providing a right to women in 1893. Okay guys, 1893. If I talk about which is the first state who provide the women representation in its legislature, it is the Rwanda. So guys, it is the Rwanda who provide the women the basically the reservations in the legislature. It is the Rwanda is the first state. So your examiner is quite interesting to ask the question in term of the first, so it can be also a question. So this is how the things. Then guys, next is like statement based question. Statement first talk about UK join European Union as a common market in 1973. Yes guys, when the European Union is a common market, that time UK joined in 1973. Yes guys, in 1973 UK joined European Union when the European Union is a common market 1973. Statement, next statement, it left in 2020 after the referendum in 2016. Yes guys, so finally UK is not member of the European Union and it was basically left in 2020 after the referendum in 2016. So this is how the important thing we basically understand. As you know that this day we are going to cover our all the discussion of important information in terms of the constitutions. For example, Switzerland constitution, for example USA constitution, for example we discuss also about the Indian constitution. Okay, we discuss about the today British constitutions. So all the things discussed, but the thing is that a wonderful question is in front of you, waiting in front of you, that I make special for you through integrating all the informations. Like they ask the question, arrange in chronological order the constitutional provision. Yes guys, arrange in chronological order the constitutional provision of the different constitution, not the one constitution, different constitution. Like Switzerland constitution creation, USA constitution abolish the slavery systems. Okay, adopted a Chinese constitution. Okay, the Indian constitution. So let me clear that to you, the Switzerland constitution creation is in the year of 1999. So it is the 1999 Switzerland constitution basically creation. Then the USA constitution abolition the slavery. So under the 30 Constitutional Amendment Act, the USA basically slavery abolished the basically constitutional slavery in the year of around 8060. Yes guys, 8060 they abolished the slavery concept. You can check it also. Then adopted a Chinese constitution. So finally there are the fourth amendment, as I already said to you. If you have not watched my video on the all about information Chinese constitution, you can refer that video. So that is finally the Chinese constitution adopted in the year of 1982. Then Indian constitution, 1949. So accordingly our answer will be like here, USA constitution abolish, okay, so slavery, the first it was. Then after that there will be a Indian constitutions. Okay, then there will be a, after that there will be a adopted Chinese constitution, as you can see here. Then the basically Switzerland constitution creation, that is how the first. So this is our chronological question, and I hope it is basically the will be interesting for you. So this is how the things. Then guys, as I said you that if it will be also that planning for you, I am late, but there is a important information also waiting for you that I basically bring special for you like that. And here is the important information in which a SSB political science Odisha examinations like difficult tag to for you. So this is the important information, important fact, importance that date and features in which going to important from exam point of view, because now they do not ask the only year, but also they ask the questions like the date and the month, So that's why I am here to discuss with you that chemical weapon convention in which year. So chemical convention weapon in the year of 1993, you all know, but they asked the question like which month, which date. So chemical weapon convention in the month of 13 January 1993. Yes guys, 13 January 1993, that is how the chemical weapon convention. Okay, Then Biological Weapon Convention, it is also important, that is 10 April 1972. Yes guys, 10 April 1972 Biological Weapon Convention. India is signed both the Chemical Weapon Convention and Biological Weapon Convention. Yes guys, Biological Weapon Convention 10th April 1972 and Chemical Weapon Convention in the year of 13 January 1993. Yes guys, 13 January 1993. Then NAM Summit, the first NAM Summit was held in 1st September 1961 in Belgrade, Yugoslavia. Yes guys, the first NAM Summit was held in Belgrade 1961. Okay, 1st September 1961. Then 7th NAM Summit is important because India hosts the 7th NAM Summit. That's why it is going to important. That is from the 7 to 12 March 1983. Yes guys, 7 to 12 March 1983 India hold the 7th NAM Summit. Yes guys, 7th to 12 March 1983 India hold the 7th NAM Summit. Then India USSR sign a friendship agreement, that is how August 1971. So during the time of Bangladesh liberation, okay guys, during the time of the Bangladesh liberation, India and USSR signed a friendship treaty, that is how August 1971. Then guys, India became a member of United Nations Human Right Council in the year of 2019. 1st January in the year of 2019 India became a member of the Human Right Council. That you have to remember, the 1st January 2019 India became a member of the Human Right Council of the United Nations General Assembly. Okay, then another question is in front of you. The first interstate council was created in 28 May 1990. Yes guys, on 28 May 1990 the first interstate council was created on 28 May 1990. Yes guys, on 28 May 1990 the first interstate council was basically created. Then nuclear doctrine. So nuclear doctrine was established in the 4th January 2003, and you know that nuclear doctrine principle, the no first use policy, nuclear minimum credible deterrence. Okay, so nuclear no first use policy, nuclear minimum credible deterrence, and non-use of against non-nuclear weapon state. So this is how the concept of nuclear doctrine. So it was the 4th January 2003, and all the future we discuss, and you will be crack this examination, that any kind of question they ask. Then Gujarat doctrine in the year of 1996 in December. Yes guys, Gujarat doctrine, you know, Gujarat doctrine was signed in 1996 during the time of H.D. Devegowda. But that in which month? It is the December 1996 the Gujarat doctrine was basically signed. December 1996 Gujarat doctrine was signed. Then NREGA, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. NREGA, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. So it was in the basically 23 August 2005 it was passed. Yes guys, 23 August 2005 it was passed, but it was implemented on the February 2006. Yes guys, it was implemented on February 2006. This NREGA Act was implemented February 2006. Okay, so it was passed in the 23rd August 2005, but it was basically the February 2006 it was basically implemented. So this is the how the all about the important information about the important fact and the year in detail. So this is all about from my side, this special video and content for you, and do let me know in comment section how this information is attract to you. And this is all about from my side, and if you like me, do subscribe, do press the bell icon, that you will not miss such kind of precious video, and do share with your friend, because sharing is always caring. Thank you guys, have a nice day.